how to transfer Signal chats to new phone. So what you're gonna have to do is to basically link both devices together. So your main device will link to the new device. So go ahead to your main device over here, go to the top left, which is your profile, and press on link devices. What you're gonna have to do is just press on link a new device over here. You're gonna have to allow this. Then you're gonna have to scan a QR code, which is gonna have to allow access to the camera. So go ahead and use this section to link a device. So on your new device or on your new Signal app, just go ahead and choose the restore or transfer button. So this is basically the transfer. So press on I have my old phone. So scan a QR code from your current Signal account to get started quickly. So here is the QR code. Just go ahead to your other device and scan this, and it's basically just gonna go ahead and log in or link both devices, which will transfer the chats as well. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.